Hello everyone, so we're going to be solving Java list. The first thing I do here is I actually just create the scanner object. The next thing I do is grab the actual length of the linked list that's going to come through. Kind of get that in the sample input here. The next thing I do is create the linked list object. Then after that, reading from the basically reading number of integers from the console and adding them to the linked list. So I'm adding numbers to our linked list here, so then we can start performing some queries on it. Next thing I do is reading the number of queries from the console input, and I just create some additional variables here that I'm going to be using, like index and number. Index defining the index of something that I need to either delete or remove, and numbers where we're going to be adding numbers to the list if we have to. So this for loop, basically all it does is process each query. Nothing too crazy. So what I do here is I read the command for each query from the console. Then I check if the command is to insert an element to the linked list in this if block here. Otherwise, check if the element is to delete an element from the linked list. And at the end here, I just print out all the elements. It's pretty easy, I think. Make sure you guys read up on some some of the methods here to utilize, if anything like that. Happy hunting, everyone.